Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace engine filter and a cabin filter on 2020 Kia Sorento. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the engine filter. It's pretty straightforward. So all you have to do is pull out to open air filter. Then unlock these two tabs and pull the filter out. Yep, it's gonna need one. So here's the new one with a part number of 28113A9100. Alright, so before you put it in, make sure this tab is unlocked. There you go, and make sure you lock those two tabs and you're done. Now let's work on cabin filter. Just push and open the glove box. There's like little strut right here that you can easily disconnect. Then there's one clip and one more here. Air filter door. All you have to do is press these two tabs. And here is the air filter. Oh yeah. Here's the new one with a part number of KC6C79AC000. Alright guys, so to put this in, make sure that arrow is facing down. There you go. Put this cover back. So just push this thing in. Here we go. Go grab one of this clip. Alright, then you're done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.